Welcome to the UOW College Hong Kong Banner Faculty Portal Training video. This video will guide faculty through navigating the faculty portal. The faculty portal is accessed via the web link displayed. Faculty will use their UOW provisioned email and password for login. Once logged in, faculty will be navigated to the landing page. The button in the top left-hand corner of the page provides the menu options. Updating personal details. Faculty can view or update their personal information by accessing Personal Information, then My Profile from the menu. The Personal Details page will display basic personal details. Faculty are able to update details at any time by selecting the Edit icon. Simply update the details and select the Update button. Banner will confirm the update with the Message saved successfully. Please note, faculty should not amend the UOW email details via the faculty portal. Additionally, note that personal information recorded on your personal record can be viewed by others. Therefore, the only mandatory information stored on the faculty record is name, campus email, and employee number. To navigate back, you can select the Previous button near the menu bar. Faculty timetable. Faculty can view their timetable for the session by navigating to the Faculty and Advisors menu item, then Week at a glance. It is recommended that faculty choose to open this page in a new tab. From this view, faculty can see their assigned classes for the week. From the class hyperlink, faculty can view more detailed information such as number of students enrolled. Close the tab and return to the Faculty Portal main menu. Class list. Faculty can view a class list for any class that has been assigned to them. From the main menu, navigate to Faculty and Advisors, Class List, select the applicable term. All classes will be listed, noting that lectures will have an L after the subject and tutorials will have a T. Select the applicable subject to view the class list. Faculty can amend the columns that appear in their class view by selecting the drop-down column button near the search field. Simply add a green tick near the columns that faculty would like to view and remove the green tick from those columns that are not required to be viewed. This page can also be viewed in summary format or detailed format by selecting the required option from the drop-down about the search field. Faculty are able to email individual students or the entire class of students by first selecting the students that are to be included. The checkbox above the class list will select all students. Alternatively, faculty can select individual students by clicking on the checkbox on the Students row. Once the selection criteria has been confirmed, faculty will click on the Email button. Banner will then navigate to the UOW Staff Email portal for the email to be constructed. Note, emails have been configured to be delivered to students' UOW email addresses. Additionally, class lists can either be exported to Excel or printed if required. To export the class list, select the Export button at the top of the screen. Alternatively, to print, select the Print button at the top of the screen. Select Ctrl+P to access the print selection options. Faculty can also view the student profile of those students assigned to their class. Click on the hyperlink on the student name to view their profile. Faculty are also able to toggle between different classes without going back to the faculty menu. Faculty can select the applicable class from the drop-down menu displayed near the semester. Navigate back to the menu icon. Track attendance. Faculty are required to track attendance for tutorials only. From the main menu, navigate to Faculty and Advisors, Track Attendance. All tutorial classes will be listed in which attendance needs to be tracked. The final column will indicate the status of the class. If the class is yet to commence, the status will be View Class. If the class has commenced, the status will be Take Roll. Click on the Take Roll button for the applicable class to record attendance. The grey column needs to be highlighting the applicable day for attendance to be recorded. You can either select the day to be recorded by scrolling or enter the date in the search field. Faculty have a number of options to track attendance. The first option is to record all classes as present by using the Update All drop-down menu. Select Update Empty Records to present. This will update the attendance for all students that have not previously been marked. The faculty can then update individually any student that is absent by clicking on them individually. Note the first click marks the student as present, the second click as absent, and the third click clears the entry. Alternatively, faculty can mark attendance for each student individually. Banner will provide a cumulative percentage of attendance for each student and will advise faculty when their attendance falls below a certain level. If a student has provided a notified absence, this can be recorded by selecting the Absence Notified checkbox. A comment can be recorded in relation to this notified absence. Notified absences can also be recorded for an extended period where applicable, and this saves entry requiring to be recorded for each individual day. Notified absences will be excluded from the attendance percentage calculation. It is recommended that faculty update the last date of attendance and calculated hours of attendance for their class on a regular basis. This should be performed at least weekly. By running this function, Banner administration will be updated with this information, and this will ensure that the student's record is up to date. To run these functions, select Update CRN Last Date of Attendance and Update CRN Total Hours from the class drop-down list. Attendance rolls can be exported if required. From the Tools menu, select Export Template. Select the options for export and click Export. If you would like to update and import this template, the columns of Actual Hours or Absent Hours and Attendance Indicator require completion. This template needs to be saved on a local drive prior to import. To import the template, select Import from the Tools menu and select Import. Locate your file for import and then navigate through the process. Faculty Grade Entry. From the Faculty Portal menu, select Faculty Grade Entry. A list of classes will be displayed for grade entry. Note, grades are only assigned against the lecture CRN. To input grades for components such as Continual Assessment and Final Exam, select Gradebook from the menu. The Grading Status column will confirm the grading process for the components. Select the class that component grades are to be updated for. Select the Component button at the bottom of the screen. The components for the course will be listed with the weighting assigned to each. Select the component that grades are to be entered for. This class list will then appear at the bottom of the screen for grades to be input. Enter the mark in the Score column. Repeat process for all components of the course. If a student is yet to complete the component, the field should be left blank until such time that a result is confirmed. Note, you can toggle through classes that are your responsibility for grading from the drop-down menu at the top right of the screen. To review the composite grade, select the Composite Grades button at the bottom of the gradebook page. This page can be printed if required and used when assigning the final grade. Alternatively, it can be saved as a PDF or can select the whole page and copy into an Excel spreadsheet. To enter final grades, navigate back to the Final Grades tab. Select the class to be updated for final grades. Note, on any of the entry screens, the column format can be edited by the user to suit the requirements. Simply select the column icon and a list of options will appear. Uncheck Select All, then select the columns that are required for view Final grades can either be entered directly into the screen by selecting from the drop-down list in the Final Grade column. Alternatively, this can be exported into Excel for update, then imported back into Banner. To export, select the tool icon. Select Export Template. Select the type of Excel spreadsheet. The spreadsheet will appear as a pop-up at the bottom of the screen. Open the file for data entry. You will note that the file is updated with the composite grade in the final column. This is to be updated with the letter grade. To have a complete view of the student's grades, you may want to import the composite grade information into a blank worksheet. Update the final grade column with the applicable letter grade. Note, if a student has not completed all work and the final grade is still in progress, enter an I grade for incomplete. Save the worksheet to a local or network drive. To import back into Banner, from the Final Grades page, ensure that the correct class is highlighted for import. From the Tools menu, select Import. Browse to find the location of the Excel file previously saved. Click Upload. Select Continue. A preview of the file will appear. Select Continue. Ensure that the columns are mapped correctly. Select Continue. Banner will continue how many records will be updated and also confirm if there are any errors in the file. Select Continue. Click Finish to complete the import. The grades will be updated in the Final Grade column. If any student has an I incomplete grade, this can be updated at any time until grades are rolled. If the I is not updated prior to the extension date, the student will be automatically updated with an F grade. You can view the status of the grading from the Final Grades tab via the Status and Rolled columns. Grades can be amended until such time as they are rolled. Once grades are rolled, changes cannot be made via the faculty portal. Changes will need to be made through the Banner administration. Advising student profile. Faculty that have been assigned as a student advisor can access information for the students that have been assigned. From the main menu, select Faculty and Advisors, Advising Student Profile. Select the term, then search for the student by student name, or click on View My Advisee listing. Select the student. The student profile will be displayed, which gives information about the student's curriculum, current registrations, GPA, and status. Course Catalogue. Faculty can view the course catalogue on offer for the semester. Select Course Catalogue from the Faculty menu. It is advised that the course catalogue be opened in a new tab. Select the applicable term. Course catalogue can be searched by a number of options, including subject, course number, faculty, and campus. Banner will display a list of courses available for the semester. To view details about the course, select the hyperlink from the course name. This will display aims, objectives, and prerequisites for the course. Faculty can also view sections available for the course for the semester by selecting the View Sections button. All lectures and tutorials will be displayed for the course. Program Catalogue. Faculty can view the program catalogue on offer for the semester. Select Program Catalogue from the Faculty menu. It is advised that the program catalogue be opened in a new tab. Select the applicable term. Click Find Programs. Banner will display a list of available programs for the semester. Click on the applicable program. Banner will display the various areas of the program, including Program Core, Program Electives, General Education, and Free Electives. To view each section in detail, select the plus sign to expand the area. Moodle and email access. Faculty are able to access both Moodle and UOW email from the Banner menu. Moodle is used for course material content, and faculty will be given access to all course sites that they are responsible for. To log into Moodle, use your UOW username and password. The email link will navigate to the faculty UOW email login page. Thank you for viewing the Faculty Portal navigation video. If you wish to view this video again, please navigate to the video tutorial option on the banner Faculty Portal menu or access from the UOW College Hong Kong website.